There's plenty of mystery. Something in the Garden State and also in New South Wales going around and biting people, and they often are unaware they've been bitten. And in a few of these cases, some very horrible things happen in the next 24 hours.
Dr. Strawn Sutherland is a leader in the field of research into spider venoms. He says it's difficult tracking the culprit or culprits down. There are over 2,000 species of spider along Australia's east coast alone.
All we can do is put a little collection aside of certain spiders we know that can cause some degree of skin damage. There are certain spiders that we suspect that may cause this, but there's no reason that we'd put the wolf spider further ahead of another 3 or 4.
The experts are quick to say that severe reactions like pterynemix are not common.
Well, it's not very common for a spider to actually bite a human, by and large. And at many occasions when the spider does bite, absolutely nothing happens. I think perhaps something will happen eventually if an appropriate politician is bitten by one of these, of the right persuasion, then we might get some action.